this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the achievement tracker on your Xbox Series X. This is really easy to do. Press the Xbox button on your controller and then tab over using R1. And we want to go to where it says Game Activity on top. But you'll notice right here, you can track your achievements if you turn this on right here. Press the button with the two little boxes on it and you can turn on the achievement tracker right here. And then you should see the achievements that you're going for in the game popping up on the screen. So you can go to this right now and you turn on the achievement tracker. And then you can navigate through here and you can decide which one you want to go ahead and go for. So let's press X on this one right here. And that's at the top. And that's one of my favorite ones I'm going for. Remove from favorites. So what is this for too? This is for Destiny 2 right there on the top. Complete a Nightfall Strike on Grandmaster difficulty. So that's going to display on my screen whenever I start playing now. So let's just start up a game real quick like Rocket League. And then we can go to the achievement tracker and just see kind of what this looks like. So here's my achievements. Let's go to it and turn it on for this game. And then we can turn this on. So this is really good to have. And you can see it in the left side of the screen. So I'm going to turn down the music here just in case it's copyrighted. It says drops in the bucket, wall crawler, winner. So it's really easy to turn this on or off. And if you're big into just hunting down achievements, I like having those missions on the side. I wish they gave a little bit more like detailed information about them. Just looking at them, you really don't know what it is. It's like winner, what is that supposed to be? So you actually have to go in here and then you have to go to it and read it. I wish they had the description on there so you can just read it on screen like you do in like World of Warcraft or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.